Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show what are CNAME's records. So let's start in the screen. What is DNS? Is domain name system. They translate domains names to IP address. Example, I have my domain devopstiago.com, and when you go to the browser and type devopstiago.com, they go to the DNS and check what is the IP is for this domain, and they translate that and send for the server this request. DNS have some types, but the more important for now is the A, that's type you point for IPs. The CNAMEs, you can point for another domain. You have the text to verify the domain ownership, and you have the MX for email. I go to show some examples for you guys. I have my subdomains UI devopstiago.com. I CNAME that's for devopstiago.com. And I have api.devopstiago.com, and I CNAME that's for devopstiago.com, and they go to have the same IP, the devopstiago.com. I have another domain UI thiagodesantos.com. I CNAME that's for Google, and they will go have the IP for Google. Okay, in the terminal, I go to show how this works. Dig and use a short and use my domain devopstiago.com. So let's give the IPs I have for this domain. So let's do the same thing for API. You can see I have the same IPs. Let's go to the DNS records. So I have devopstiago.com, here I point for this IP. When you use www.devopstiago.com, let's go to point for this IP. And I have the CNAMEs for API for devopstiago.com, and I have the text for text.devopstiago.com. And let's add the UI. So CNAME, let's put UI. And when you put at, that points for devopstiago.com, and let's save. Okay, I save. Let's go back to the terminal. Let's try to use a short for UI. So they will have the same IPs. So let's go a little bit more and let's check the CNAME. CNAME. You can see you point that's for devopstiago.com. Let's test my another domain. Will be jig ui dot thiagodesantos.com, and I CNAME that's for Google. And if you see, I put it like CNAME, they put the first ones for CNAME google.com. And if I use CNAME, they just show I use the UI thiagodesantos.com for CNAME. If the domain the Google domain change the IP, that's going to change the UI. You back to my DNS records. If I change the IP for devopstiago.com, that's you go to change for UI API. That's I use the CNAMEs. Before I go, let me show you the text. Jig text.devopstiago.com, and I have my text hello world that we use it for check the ownership for this domain. So you can put like some words, or you can put a key. Another domain can check and see if it have the ownership for this domain. I have a document I show about more about the jig command. So I put the link in the description. Please use that for download. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe my channel. And I see you in the next one.